In exercise 1.5 matrix third is posting, there are some changes new book and old book. So now I explain in a new book what they given as such. So first one is no problem. The investment 65,000 in three different bonds. Okay, the date as X, Y, Z. So 65,000. Second one, what they given, the investment get the profit from the each bond in different ratio. From the first bond, the income is 6%, then 8% from the second one, 9% from the third one, and the total income in 1 year is 4,800. In previous year, I told here 10%, here 5,000. So please, who are using the old book, change that. Okay, here using 10% or 5,000 in the old book. Now we are using 9% and 4,800 rupees. So now the percentage 6% of x converted in the equation form. So 6% is 6 by 100, half become multiply. So 6 by 100 x, 8 by 100 y, 9 by 100 z, 4,800. So entire equation multiply by 100. So it becomes 6x, 8y, 9z. So when you multiply 100, 4,800 become a 4,80,000. Multiply by 100, both LHS and RHS. Third one is what they given. The income from the third bond, okay, is 600 more than the second bond. So write as an equation form that income from the third bond is what? 600 more than the second one. What is the last year they given? Instead of 600 they given 800. Okay, please here also you have changed the question. They given last year 800. Now here they given 600. So 600 income from the second bond. So third condition. So with the help of the information, we can able to frame three equations. So one is total amount, second one is profit, third one is comparison. Third income compared with the second income. Third income more than 600 with what? Second income. So 600 plus second bond income. What is the income of third? 9% of Z. You write here. Second one 8% of Y. Now again convert into 9 by 100 Z. 600 equal to 80Y by 100. Now entire equation multiply by 100, it become 9 Z. 600 become a 60,000 80Y. Here there is no x term, so we can write 0x because we have here three terms x, y, z is there. So you have only the two variable. We need three variable. Without change the value of this equation, so write 0x, coefficient write as a 0. 0x plus 8y become minus 8y, 9z, 60,000. Now write this in matrix form. Here 4,80,000. Okay. Now equation 1 x plus y and equation 2 and equation 3 matrix form. Okay. Now we plan to write to bring only the 6th term change into 0. So you know how to write the matrix form combine A and B. So R1 already 1 is there, R2 already, R3 is 0 is there. Only thing how to change here. So write the condition. Better you can write like that R2 minus 6 into R1. So entire 1 multiply by 6 subtract with R2, you able to get 0 in the second row. So write first row as such 1, 1, 1. This is 65,000. Now subtract with the, I work out the condition here. R2 write as such 6, 8, 9, 4,80,000. Okay. Now multiply minus 6 with R1. Minus 6, minus 6, minus 6. And multiply here 0, 0, 0. 5, 6 are 30, remaining 3. 6, 6 are 36, 39. Then subtract 0, 2, 3. So finally we have 0, 2, 3, 90,000. Okay, 90,000. You write here 90,000. It's very important. Please count and write now and then number of 0. If 1 0 extra, so total able to get a wrong answer. We can't able to identify easily. That's a tough in matrix. Matrix is easy. Any one place careless mistake, we have right from the beginning. It's very tough. So one by one cross check and write the answer. Now R3 no change, 0, -8, 9 and 60,000. So next our aim is to bring 0 in that place. We multiply. Now R1, R2 no change. R1, R2 no change. Right, as such 1, 1, 1, 65,000. Now 0, 2, 3, 90,000. Now we want to bring -8 as a 0. Just to multiply 4 into R2. R3 we count, right? Multiply 4 into R2 plus R3. Okay, multiply 4 into R2. I will put here. 0 into 4, 0. So 4 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, and 9 4s are 36. So 3,60,000. Okay, 3 lakhs. It is already 4 zeros there. So 9 4s are 36. So write R3. 0 -8, 9, and here 60,000. So you put addition only because already both are different symbols. Minus is there, plus is there. Just to multiply 4 and add, you able to get 0. That's why I write 4R2 plus R3. Now 0, 0, 21. It become a 42. 4,20,000 become 4,20,000. So 0, 0, 21, 4,20,000. Now with the help of that, you are able to find x and y value. Okay. Now I take the from the third equation. 0, coefficient of 0, x is 0, y term is 0. We have only z term. So z, we can write 21 z equal to 4,20,000. Then z equal to 4,20,000 divided by 21 equal to, it became a 20,000. So 2 times 21, 2 times in 42, so 20,000 will come. After finding z value, we are able to substitute in the equation 2 to find the y value. So we have 2y plus 3z equal to 90,000. So substitute here 2y plus 3 into 20,000 equal to 90,000. When subtract 2y equal to 90,000 minus, multiply 6 will come, subtract here it become a 60,000. It become a 2y equal to 30,000. Then divided by 2, so y become a 50,000. Divided by it become y become a 50,000. Now substitute in equation 1. We have x plus y plus z equal to 65,000. So with the help of this matrix, I write the two equations from third row, from second row, from first row. I am writing here x, y. Coefficient of x is 1, y is 1, z is 1, equal to 65,000. Now we know the y value is 50,000. Substitute here. Then z value is 20,000 equal to 65,000. When add and subtract x equal to, it become a 30,000. So 35 minus 65 become a 30,000. Okay. So how much the investment from 65,000? In bond 1 the investment 30,000. In bond 2 the investment 50,000. In bond 3 the investment 20,000. So overall I use about 65,000. Okay. You can write like that also, no problem.